Welcome to the Ask Trades YouTube channel. We're not just a YouTube channel, we have an online platform for you guys and girls to get involved with. On our Facebook group, Ask Trades/DIY. Now if you didn't hear it, it's Ask Trades/DIY. It's not just for trades to chinwag, it's also for DIY enthusiasts to ask questions, share topics, post jobs, get jobs, and find new tips and tricks to save you time and money. So why not get involved? Here we have a Facebook group. All you have to do is type in Ask Trades in the search bar of Facebook, click on our group and join. Simple as that, and you can be involved. Right, let's dive into this review. I've been waiting to do this one. I like this product. So we're going to review the FRE-205 fully self-leveling rotary laser level, laser detector, the remote control, and the indoor cross-line laser, which also includes a tripod, the 4-meter measuring staff that also comes with it. So I'm on the laserlevel.co.uk website, and here we have the laser level for just £312, including VAT. This seems like a bargain. I've bought this and I've owned it for about 2 years. I've had no problems. It seems like a really great quality product. Everything in the box works. It's all up to a really great standard. Especially when I've actually bought other laser levels in the past. I've bought a Bosch Professional, which was £600, and it has nothing on this laser level. So I wouldn't ever buy one of those again. Just stick with the FAKUDA. You won't be disappointed. So when we look further down the website, it's got a rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars and 35 reviewers. So when you click through them, they all seem to be pretty positive. Look at 5 star, 5 star. Look at that. Value, 5 star. Overall rating, 5 star. Features, 5 star. Performance, 5 star. I couldn't really see any cons, or if anyone was unhappy. So that sealed the deal for me. So I made my purchase. 2 years on, here we are, making a review about it. You see the box. It seems like a really strong, robust box. It's a very hard plastic. The buckles on the end, where you lock it into place to close the box, they seem like a very, very strong buckle. They don't seem like they're going to break. They seem like they're going to last forever. And the foam inside is quite firm, so it actually holds the equipment inside. It doesn't actually let it fall. Just a quick overview of all the tools outside the box, of what you get in this. There's also a tripod that's not actually seen in this video until later on, but it does come with it, and a nice little carrier bag to put over your shoulder. So the specs of the laser level: it's self-leveling, it's got an accuracy of 3mm, give or take, at 30 meters, and an operating diameter of 500 meters. It's got a very long battery life of 25 hours continuous use, which seems half decent. You can have a full day's work and not worry about the battery. It's got a self-leveling time of around 5 seconds, an operating temperature of -10 degrees to 50 degrees, and the other cool feature is the actual housing of the rotary laser level is waterproof and dustproof. The rotary laser is also rechargeable, and it comes with its own charger. And it just plugs into the side under the dust cap. Now let's look at the LCD monitor screen that comes with it, that fits onto the staff. It's got a nice clear LCD screen with clear display of the sound, the height indicator in correlation to the laser level and the height that you've determined, and an off-film attaching the LCD monitor screen to the staff, which is quite an easy thing to do, so you only need one person, it's not fiddly. The useful points of this staff, it starts at 1500 millimeters and then extends to 4 meters maximum height. And then also it's got a self-locking button at the back, so you can adjust it to whatever height you need, so you don't actually have to keep on adjusting the clamp. You can adjust the staff, which is quite a good feature. So you can just keep moving up and down. Over to the FAKUDA EK112R cross-line laser level. It's got a nice on and off button. It's the same material as the housing on the bigger laser level. So it's also very strong, very robust. And it's also got a button on the top. Here I am going through the 3 options for the lines in a red laser. So horizontal, vertical, and you've got the cross lines. It also comes with a wall mount. That's also 1/4 inch thread. So the pros of this kit are that it's excellent value, it's strong, it's robust, it's waterproof, dustproof, it's very accurate even compared to more expensive laser levels on the market. It comes as a complete kit. There's many other laser levels that don't have a controller or the nice just extras such as the tripod. And don't forget the very nice box that it comes with. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Obviously not if you drop it. And the whole product, everything in the box is really nice and easy to use. And that is a big plus. There's not really any cons for this product. It's great value for money. You can buy a more accurate laser level on their website from FAKUDA or other models, but they do cost more money. I think this is a great laser level for experienced tradesmen or DIY enthusiasts. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and you'll see us next time for a great review. Or any other questions that you may have, just put them down in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thank you.